Most people think money is about math. It's not. It's about behavior. I've met people who make six figures and live paycheck to paycheck. And I've met people earning half that who quietly built real wealth. The difference isn't intelligence, it's how they think. On this channel, I'm not going to sell you fantasies or get-rich-quick nonsense. I'm going to teach you how money actually works, how businesses really grow, how the wealthy protect what they earn, how taxes quietly drain most people, and how compounding turns time into power. I'll show you how to make money without burning yourself out, keep more of what you earn, use systems instead of willpower, think in decades, not pay periods, build something that pays you even when you're asleep. This isn't about Lamborghinis, it's about freedom. Freedom to walk away from bad jobs, freedom to choose your time, freedom to not panic when life hits. Everything I teach here is rooted in how real businesses operate, how owners think, how risk is managed, how money is moved quietly and patiently. No hype, no fluff. Just the mindset and mechanics of building wealth the long way, the way that actually works. If you're tired of working hard and feeling behind, if you want to understand money instead of fearing it, you're in the right place. Welcome to the boardroom.